Hello and welcome to the Christmas Everyday Club podcast. I'm Jay and welcome. If you're new here, then on this channel I talk about Christmas movies, Christmas stories, quizzes and general Christmas. But today I'm going to talk about a new thing I've just created and launched. It's the new Christmas Everyday Club Patreon page. And Patreon is something where you can subscribe or you can donate kind of thing to help support the creator. Now, in my case, over on the Christmas Everyday Club website, I create freebies all year long. And what I'm going to do on the Patreon page is give people a chance to support me, but I'm also going to give you lots of features like a lot more freebies, a lot more behind the scenes stuff, quizzes, live movie watch alongs where it'll just be us, live events where it'll just be us, and the chance for you to come on the podcast and talk to me, and a chance for you to come to write for the podcast, write for the website and stuff like that. Going to be lots of different things you can get, guys. Now, at the moment, I've only posted a couple of pictures, colouring pages you can have. So feel free to come over, check out the, just check it out. Check out the about page. Check out the membership part. There's 3 different tiers at the moment. The first tier is a festive supporter. Basically, you're just supporting the. You're just supporting it. That's the cheapest one. The second one is the. It's called the Jingle Bell Buddy, and you get like monthly Christmas printables, exclusive Patreon only live sessions, special Christmas card for loyal supporters, personalized printable, a digital download, special podcasts and videos I create, live chat, quiz once a month, general support and fan requests. Yeah, and then there's a big one, which I don't expect anyone to do this, but I've done it anyway. You get a personalized Christmas book, where over on Amazon I create children's storybooks or quizzes and stuff like that. And for the storybooks, I've actually created, I think there's 5 different storybooks now for my friends whose kids are in the book. They've sent me the picture of them. I designed the characters looking like the daughter or the son, whoever I put in it, and then I've wrote a story about them. They give me a few details of like what the kid likes. For instance, my nephew, he loves football or soccer if you're watching this from the US, and I created a storybook of him playing soccer. I designed him in the book and he loves it, and I've dedicated it to him, so when he opens the book it's dedicated to him. Same with all the other books I've created, like all the for the babies, and that's when they grow up they've got books. So what I'm going to do on this one, personalised Christmas book. You give me the details, I design a book for you, and then towards Christmas time, release it. It's yours. Also, live Christmas movie watch-alongs, where we watch Christmas movies, and personalised video message, like wishing you Merry Christmas and that, or your family, or whoever you want me to send it to. Expanded before I'm looking on getting Santa as well, so it'll be a proper extra special one. Also, expanded collection of printables, so you'll get all the ones from the previous tiers, but I'm going to give you a lot more, a lot more, and dynamic rewards. So throughout the year, I'll be adding more special items and surprises to this. Then you'll get like personalized printable, digital downloads, basically all the things you get on the other ones. So guys, I'm going to start spending a lot of time on this because everything I do, basically, I'm doing a lot of free stuff, and it's starting to take a lot of my time up, but I'm not earning anything in return. So this is just a way for people to support me, and if I see that people are interested in supporting me, then that means it's going to give me the motivation to do a lot more. And that's the general goal. I want to build a good community, and if I've got a lot of people who want to be in that community, then it's going to be a win-win, guys. The more I can give back, the more I see value, and I want to give back. There's still going to be all the freebies, what I do over on the website. I'm still going to do all that. Nothing's going to change whatsoever on the rest of the stuff. If you don't want to support me, that's totally fine. And I'm still going to give you freebies, still going to do all the stuff. I still appreciate your support by watching my videos, listening to the podcast, joining the Facebook group and all that. But yeah, this is just another thing. Now, there is a shop on it, on the page, but I've just put up a book on it, and all the books I put on it and the books I create on Amazon, but these are just the PDF versions. So if you don't want to buy the book or spend all that money on Amazon, because I know some of the prices are expensive, you can get the PDF copy and then download it and read it straight away. But coming back to like the overview, the home, yeah, I'll be putting posts on, and then some of the stuff what gets posted on here won't be getting released in the general public, so you'll get extra stuff as well, guys. That is it. I will leave the link to the Patreon page in the description, so feel free to come and check it out and come have a read about it, guys. Have a read, check it out. If it's not for you, fine. But yeah, I appreciate it, and I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, guys. Goodbye.